Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra, TESOL certified instructor, and today I'd love to share different approaches to teaching and learning English and how they work best for different learners. Let's dive in. 1. PPP, presentation, practice, production. This one's great for lower levels. You present the grammar, then practice it, and finally students use it in real-life context. 2. TTT, test, teach, test. This is great for mixed level groups. You first test what they know and then teach the missing parts and test again. 3. Guided discovery. Perfect for higher level learners. Instead of giving rules, you guide students to analyze and discover the rules themselves. 4. Deductive method. Efficient when you're short on time, you give the grammar rule first, then apply it. 5. Inductive method. This takes more time, but it's great for long-term retention. Students explore, test, and think critically before understanding the rules. 6. Task-based learning. This one focuses on fluency. Learners complete tasks like interviews or problem solving using language for communication first and analyzing grammar later. 7. Lexical approach. Great for fluent natural sounding speech. The focus is on learning chunks and collocations, not isolated words. 8. Audiolingual method. This is very close to my heart. I've used it since 2015, especially through the Callan method. It's perfect for beginners who need lots of repetition. It works like learning music or dance. You memorize the rhythm, the structure, the steps, and only then you improvise. Most of my students, especially Ukrainian beginners, really benefited from this approach. Even those who didn't speak my language could follow the pattern, repeat, and gradually start building sentences. 9. Grammar translation method. This one's for analytical learners or future translators. You compare your native language to English and work back and forth. Great for understanding structure deeply. So that's a quick overview. Have you tried any of these methods, or are there any other methods that I haven't mentioned? And which one worked best for you or your students? Let me know in the comments.